Frustration arises for San Jose State students due to the lack of on-campus parking. Many of these complaints have forced students to look for alternative ways of transportation.
Okay. So why do you take the light rail?
Oh, because of it saves me money and time. By the time I know my experience that I had over in college, I know the parking is a hassle to find it, and it saves me time too, because when I'm sitting in a rider, it gives me a couple of minutes to study and catch up with the things that I have to do. So basically, I like it, the time that I take advantage of it to read more and also save time in order to find parking over here.
The light rail is one of the other options that students choose because of the free BTA passes provided to students by the college. The vacant lots and the parking range stations are accessible to desperate students attending classes at peak hours.
And do you use the parking here, or do you take some of the public transportation that we provide?
What I do is I just drive, and then I park like North Campus on 10th Street or 11th Street past St. James area, and then I walk the rest of the way.
How long does that usually take?
It usually takes like 15 minutes from parking to getting on campus.
Have you ever tried to use any of the parking garages around here? Or?
Well, maybe for like day use, if there's an event and I really just need parking. But since the parking's so bad anyway, I figured it's gonna take like 15 minutes to find a spot.
Even with the different modes of transportation, some students still decide to try to take their chances trying to find parking.
Yeah, here every day.
I drive to school.
And how long does it take for you to find parking around here?
Depending on what time I leave my house, it can take anywhere between like 2 minutes to get into the parking garage to over like an hour and a half.
Really?
Yeah.
What time do you usually leave your house if you want to get good parking?
Preferably at like 7:30, between 7:30 and 7:45 on like 9 o'clock class.
Oh, 9 o'clock class.
Will San Jose State do anything to relieve the parking frustration? Students can only hope.